A fire at your business damages more than the building. Every day you stay closed costs you customers and revenue you cannot get back. We move fast to board up and secure your property. That protects your building and equipment while cleanup gets underway. Commercial fires mean soot and smoke damage across offices, equipment, and inventory. We bring the crew size and equipment to match the job. We clean soot off surfaces and equipment and clear smoke odor from the space, so your operations get back to normal as fast as possible. We coordinate directly with your insurance company and document the damage. You focus on your business, not the paperwork. We serve businesses across Dallas and more than 30 nearby cities. Call any hour of the day or night. If your business needs fire damage restoration, do not wait to make the call. Call Water Damage Restoration Dallas at 469-804-9910.